Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make a turkey breast. We are not going to make a whole turkey. That's not for everybody around Thanksgiving, though I will be making a turkey for my family. But it's always great to have just a regular turkey breast recipe up your sleeve as well. The breast is good if you're having a smaller gathering, you're just a couple people, and honestly, it's a nice recipe for year round. But if you are cooking up just a turkey breast this Thanksgiving, I highly suggest this awesome garlic turkey breast recipe. It is really garlicky, it is really moist, it is really awesome, and like everything else on Cait Straight Up, it is really easy. So we're going to start by making a paste that we're going to rub all over our turkey breast, and we're going to preheat our oven to 325. The nice thing about a breast versus a whole turkey is that it's just a couple hours in your oven. You could prepare it day of, you could fit other things in there. It's really not like too overwhelming. So none of that getting up at 5 a.m. to roast your bird. Some people like it, some people prefer it. So we're going to start with a good olive oil here. And just about that, just drizzle some in a bowl. And then we're going to actually take a garlic paste. They sell garlic paste at the stores now, so you don't have to worry about making your own. I do have a recipe for a homemade garlic paste that you can find on my channel as well. I do like to make it homemade and just store it in the fridge. But again, we're going to use about half of a cup of a garlic paste. And we're going to kind of make a whole paste here together to rub on the outside of our bird. A couple spices that we're going to add here. I have some garlic powder, a smoked paprika, some salt and pepper, and then we have an herbes de Provence. I'm probably not even saying that right, but it's just a blend of spices. You have a little bit of thyme in there, some sage, some basil. A lot of them have fennel. It's just kind of a nice little blend of everything to go into there. Perfect. A few more steps here. We're just going to squeeze in some lemon juice. So I'm going to do from about a whole lemon. If you don't have fresh lemons at home, you can substitute for the store-bought kind in the bottle. Perfect. And then we are going to mix this all together. Like I said, this is actually going to make like a paste in itself that we are going to rub on the outside of our bird. Then gonna take that paste and slather it all on the outside of our bird. There's kind of no way around it. You're gonna eventually have to get your hands messy, but I kind of find if I just get it all on there first, and then I could really get down and dirty with my turkey breast. I should have made a funny joke there, down and dirty with my breast. Yeah. But so I like to kind of just get it all on there. That way I'm not, contaminating too much. And then I'm going to go in with my hands. So then, like I said, you just kind of want to rub that all in to the outside of your bird. You want to make sure that you're not missing any areas. I always find it funny to do on camera because there's always a spot that I miss because I can't see it. But we're just going to kind of rub it in really good there and then get ready to put it in our roasting pan. So I'm going to go get cleaned up here, and then we're going to get our roasting pan ready and get him all cooked up. Okay, now for the fun stuff. Now, I told you that this is a super garlicky turkey breast recipe, and it absolutely is. It has wonderful garlic flavor in it, and one of the reasons is that we're going to actually cook it on a bed of garlic cloves. We don't need a rack here. We're going to just lay out some cloves and place our turkey breast right on it. Your house is going to smell phenomenal. Do this right before people come over, and they are going to be so excited to eat. So just lay out your garlic cloves. I have about 2 cups here, but you're not really using these for the recipe or to eat. This is just kind of to sit your breast right down on. So don't worry, just get a couple nice big cloves here. Make sure that they're peeled nice so that you don't have any peelings, and then get it down. Next up, you're going to take a really dry white wine. I have a Pinot Grigio here, and you're going to take 1 cup of that and pour it into your pan. The rest of it, go on and pour for yourself because that is the best way to cook. And then we are going to drop our bird right on top of that garlic like I promised you. Yum. So then this turkey breast is going into a 325-degree oven for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Now this is a 6-pound breast, so that's the time for this one in particular. Depending on the size, the time will vary that you're going to cook it for. But your turkey is done when it reaches a temperature of 165 degrees. We are not going to cover our turkey breast unless you need to. If you see the outside of it is cooking just a little bit too much, then go ahead and cover it up, but you're going to want to keep it uncovered if necessary. So I'm going to pour myself a little bit of this and pop it in the oven. And after that time in the oven, you have yourself a delicious turkey breast for Thanksgiving. reward yourself. You got that in the oven. It is delicious, and it is time to be thankful and spend time with family and friends. I am going to put on my turkey making hat. Happy Thanksgiving from all of us here at Cait Straight Up. I hope you have a wonderful day with your own families at home, eating delicious, tasty food. There's really nothing better. And I am so thankful for all of you. I am so happy that you tune in and watch my recipes. It is so much fun. I love sharing them, and I can't wait to do so many more for you guys. Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.